Hey, I'm Amy Lane, and I want to tell you about an experience that's going to blow you away. Michael and his team has opened the doors like nothing we've ever seen before. A new experience that mixes music and the art of drum building like none other. Place where you can stay in our private cabin, tucked away from the side of the shop, and witness your drum being made by Michael and his team. This cabin is right beside the shop of where you will be building your own custom drum. This is your own private cabin. You have your beds, you have a small kitchenette set up with a table, you have a television over here, and then on this side over here, you have your bathroom. Between the cabin and the shop, you have your own little cozy place that's tucked away and it's private. You can grill if you want. You have a table that you can sit here. You can play darts and just enjoy what it's like to be in the country where it's nice and quiet. You can sit around the fire pit, writing songs, and enjoy the stars in the sky. Once you get your drum made, we have this studio right here that you can come, set up, and play your drum and see how it sounds. You can pick from a variety of snare drums that Michael has already created, or you can help build your own drum. Then you can come in here and you can play in this studio, see how it sounds, and just enjoy life and enjoy the experience of the Outlaw Bed and Breakfast Hideaway, which is a 3-day, 2-night experience that you will never forget. Come see us at the Outlaw Hideaway.